What's up, YouTube? So the first video I did was on the unboxing of the powerstroke pressure washer powered by Yamaha, and it was at nighttime, so it wasn't that great of a video. Sorry about the camera focusing. I got my buddy with his S9 Plus or whatever. It's be like 4K Ultra, I don't know. But no, I'm not promoting Unilock, so if you see that, it's just a shirt I'm wearing. Just showing another review because you guys asked me for like some better reviews of this pressure washer, and I got my grass bagger for my lawnmower down there. I'm gonna be pressure washing it off. I'm gonna be pressure washing under the deck. Just cut like a ton of grass the other day, so it's all clogged up. It's got a little bit of oil, so you'll see how it blasts oil off and all that. Got my kid's little play set here. It was stored away in a shed, a little bit of moldy on it, some dirt, so I'm gonna see how it takes that off. Got my car, it's not too dirty, but if you come to the side, it's got dirt coming down the side and all that. Now I'm not gonna use any soap in the soap dispenser for the pressure washer. I'm just gonna go with just water, and I'm gonna be using a turbo nozzle I purchased at Walmart for 20 bucks, and I'll show you how it like takes this grime off the rims and stuff, try to make them look brand new again, show you how it, just a quick video on, well, I don't know if it's quick, but video on how it's going to run. I'm going to figure out the electric start in my last video. Coming down here, I never attached these wire to the actual box, so it did come pre-charged, because when I plugged it in it worked. I never even had to charge it. So sorry about that right there. Just filled it up with 89 octane. It's oiled from my first pressure washing video, because I haven't ran it yet since then. It's just been sitting in storage, and I'll get to it. I got another thing I did was I put a quick attachment. Harbor Freight sells these like quick attachments, and I hooked one up to a hose, but you also have to get a shut-off valve, and it just makes it easier to pop it on. And I mean, instead of twisting it on and twisting it off, you just pop it on real quick, turn it on, you're done. And that's like one other thing I added to it. And I got my Craftsman hose, which I personally think is the best hose they make, and it ain't that much money. 29 bucks you get a 50-foot hose. So, and it's lifetime warranty, but Sears is going out of business in a lot of states, so good luck. I'm going to try to electric start this time, so it's a nice day out. I'll just put it on cold anyways. Cable first, see how that goes. That's plastic.